Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the display language on your Netflix app. So if you have the Netflix app running on the TV or on your phone and you want to change the display language, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on any profile. Now tap on My Profile at the bottom right, then tap on the three lines at the top right, then tap on Manage Profiles. So now from here, you want to go ahead and choose what profile you want to edit the display language for. Tap on it. Then here, from this menu, go ahead and tap on Display Language. And now go ahead and choose the language you want to change to. Tap back, and this will now change the display language for that profile. Tap Done. This will now basically refresh your page and will show you the display language. So there you go guys, that is how to change the display language on the Netflix app. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.